Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to remove Gamma AI watermark from PPT. Alright, so let's begin. So in order to remove the Gamma AI watermark from a presentation, you have to follow these steps. First, open your presentation in Gamma AI. As you can see, when you click on the share button and then select export, you will find the option to export to PowerPoint. However, Gamma usually asks you to pay in order to remove the watermark. Instead of paying, we are going to use a simple trick. Go ahead and download the PowerPoint file anyway. Once the file finishes downloading, open it on your computer. You will notice that the presentation still contains watermarks on several slides, usually at the bottom of the slides. Now to remove those watermarks, we will use Canva, and the good thing is that you don't need the paid version of Canva for this. The goal here is to remove the watermark without spending any money. Start by opening Canva in your browser and log into your account. Then click on Create or choose Presentation. After that, go to the Upload section from left side, and once it loads, click on Upload Files. Select the PowerPoint presentation you downloaded from Gamma and upload it to Canva. Once the presentation is uploaded, click on the three dots next to the file and choose Open in a new tab. Canva will convert the PowerPoint slides into editable slides inside Canva. Now open each slide one by one. On the slides where you see the watermark, simply click on the watermark image and press the delete button. Repeat this process for all the slides that contain the watermark. It only takes a few seconds per slide. After you finish removing all the watermarks, you can download the clean presentation. Click on Share, then choose Download. Select the PowerPoint format, make sure all pages are selected, and then click Download. Wait for the download to complete, and once it finishes, open the new PowerPoint file on your computer. Enable editing if necessary. You will now see that the watermarks are completely gone from the slides. You have successfully removed the Gamma AI watermark from your presentation without paying any money. And that's it. So that's basically how you can remove Gamma AI watermark from PPT. So that's all for this video.